Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a task section in the Todoist planning application. So let us begin. Navigate to the Todoist application, for example on your Android or iOS, and tap into inbox in the bottom left corner. Next, tap into these three dots in the top right and select add section from the top of that drop down menu. And now you may give your section a name. So let me give it a name like, I don't know, section 01 or number 1 or something like that. Confirm by tapping into that arrow to the right icon in the bottom right corner, and that is going to create your section. Now you may, for example, tap into it here or into these three dots and, for example, add tasks to that section, so that you may have, for example, tasks from a specific category like, I don't know, sports, or I don't know, fitness, workout, or social life under one category. So tap into add task here, and then you may create a task and add it to your section. Of course, you can move your tasks to the section as well, tasks we have already created, if you like, guys. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.